Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A80s, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, and then Reset Options. Choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, so just go over this, see what you want to keep, and back it up if obviously you want to keep it. The most important things listed here will be things like music, photos, and user data. Now, I don't have anything here that I want to preserve, so I'm just going to select Erase All Data, do that once more, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now, this process will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up, give or take a minute, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.